everyone, welcome to another lesson with the Stellar Guitarist. In today's guitar tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to play Story of My Life by One Direction. The first part of the lesson, we're going to be exploring the chords and the strumming pattern used in the song. And if you stick around for the end of the lesson, I will show you how to do the picking part that you heard me playing at the beginning of this video. If this is something that you're interested in learning, then let's get into it. So the first thing to take note of is that the guitar needs to be in standard tuning and you're going to need to put your capo onto the 3rd fret. The chords used in the song are A minor, C major, G major, and F major 7. So go ahead and practice changing back and forth between those 4 chords. Once you feel confident with your transitions, then we can go into the next section of the lesson where we'll be exploring different strumming patterns. So each section of the song has a special strumming pattern that we're going to spend time learning. The verse is probably the easiest part of the song to play because all we need to do is one single down strum on each chord. So for the verse, there are 4 beats between each down strum. Make sure that you're strumming down on the first count. Why don't you grab your guitar and let's play through this together. I'll count us in, starting on A minor. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Back to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 2, 3. F major 7. 2, 3, 4. And C. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Back to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. F. 1, 2, 3, 4, and C. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, you guys. That was awesome. We're going to do it one more time, and this time I'm going to add the singing so you can hear how it all sounds together. 1, 2, 3, go. Written in these walls are the stories that I can explain. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I leave my heart open, but it stays right here empty for days. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. A minor. She told me in the morning she don't feel the same about us in her bones. 2, 3, 4. A minor again. It seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on my stone. And one more. So when moving into the pre-chorus, we're going to be increasing the number of down strums. The reason for this is to show that the song is gaining momentum, it's moving forward, and we're building up to the chorus. The pre-chorus chords are F major 7, G major, and A minor. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go, we're building up. And we're going to do it one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1 strum on G. Right, let's do a quick demo of the pre-chorus. Grab your guitar and let's go. Starting on that F chord, 2 down strums, G, 2 down strums, A minor, 4 down strums. Here we go. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between. Last but not least, we're going to dive into the chorus, and the best beginner-friendly strumming pattern that I came up for this section of the song uses a combination of down and up strums. It sounds like this: down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Let's go through each chord in the chorus with the new strumming pattern so you get an idea of how it all sounds together. The first chord in the chorus is a C major, and you will do the strumming pattern twice. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, up. Then for F, you'll play the strumming pattern twice again. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, up. Moving on to A minor, we're going to do the strumming pattern once. Down, 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 up. Then we're going to move on to the F major 7 chord. Down, down, up, down, up. Also just once. And then we're going to end with C major twice. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Let's play through the chorus together, starting on that C major. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. The story of my life, I take her home, I drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. Repeat. The story of my life, I give her home, I spend my love until she's broken inside. Story of my life. Great job, everyone. If you've made it this far in the lesson, that means that you can play the entire song of Story of My Life, so well done. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering how to play that picking pattern that I showed you in the very beginning of the lesson. I'm going to go ahead and show you a variation of the pattern. It's not exactly the same as the original song, but it's pretty close, and with a little bit of practice and determination, you will be able to play it too. For this portion of the lesson, you're going to put your pick down, and we're going to be using our fingers for the picking parts. So the first thing we need to establish are the string name and numbers. So you might know the strings as E, A, D, G, B, and E. And that's perfectly fine. We can also number them. From the top, it's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's a better angle to get an idea. So the thumb is going to remain on these thicker strings, and your index finger is on the third, your middle finger is on the second, and your third finger, which is your ring finger, is going to be on the first string. The chords that we're going to be using in the picking pattern are the same chords from the verse. So that's great, you know those already. So we're going to be starting on an A minor chord. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up some tab onto the screen. If you're unfamiliar with reading tablature, that is perfectly fine. I'm going to help with calling out the string number and the finger used to pick the string. So the first note you need is the 5th string with your thumb. We're then going to move on to the 2nd string with your middle finger. We're then going to play the 3rd string with your index finger. And we're following that up with our ring finger on the 1st string, back to the 2nd string, and then to the 3rd string. If you can just practice that motion over and over. So thumb, middle, index, ring, middle, index. Thumb, middle, index, ring, middle, index. All while playing that A minor chord shape. Great, the next chord we're going to go on to is our C major chord, and we're going to be picking the exact same strings as we did with the A minor, starting with our thumb. Here we go. Back to A minor. Ready, and good job. Let's go to C. The next section of the picking pattern starts on an A minor, and we repeat the same thing just once. We're then going to go across to that F major 7 chord, and the only thing that's going to change here is we're going to put our thumb onto the 4th string. Okay, there we go. Make sure you've changed over to that 4th string. And the index, middle, and ring fingers, they all stay put. Great. We're then going to change back to our C major chord, and the thumb is going to move back to that 5th string. And we play this twice. Back to A minor, to F, drop your thumb down to the 4th string, and up to C again. Repeat. Alright everyone, let's play through the picking parts together. Starting on that A minor chord, we're going to go right from the very start. 1, 2, ready, go. Back to A minor. To C. A minor. F. And to C. A minor again. F. And to C. Let's do a final playthrough. 1, 2, 3, go. Written in these walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open and it stays right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she don't feel the same about us in her bones. That when I die, these words will be written on my stone, and I'll be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, nothing in between. The story of my life, I take her home. Drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. Story of my life, I give her hope. I spin her love until she's broke inside. Story of my life. So that is my beginner version of Story of My Life by One Direction. I really believe the song has a little bit of something for everyone, whether you are a complete beginner and all you can manage are those down strums, or you're a little bit more experienced and you're exploring finger picking, then that intro is a great way to get your fingers and chord hand moving at the same time. So if you have enjoyed this guitar tutorial, then please consider smashing that subscribe button and liking this video, and come and join the Stellar Guitarist community where I release videos every week for you to enjoy. I would also love to hear from you, so please drop a comment down below, say hi, and let me know where you're watching this video from in the world, and I'm sure I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!